solution. In this video, we are going to see few examples on how to identify the different types of terms like term and unlike term, and also to find the coefficients and the types of polynomials. The first example is define like and unlike term with an example. Okay, so now first we will see like term, then we will see the definition of unlike term. So solution: terms that have the same power of the same variables are called like terms. Okay, term that have same power of variable. Suppose here x is a variable, then here the power of x is 1. And suppose if you have another variable, that variable should also be x and whose power is also 1. Then we will call that type of term as like term. Say example 12x and minus 5x. Okay, and 4x square and half x square. See here 12x and minus 5 are different, but we have to see only the variable terms. Okay, so here variable is x, here also variable is x. Here the power of x is 1, here also the power of x is 1. So these two are like terms. In the same way, here 4 and a half. So we are considering only the variables x. Here is also x, here is also x. Here it is the power is 2, here also the power is 2. So 4x square and half x square are called as like terms. Okay, now we will see unlike term. Terms that do not contain same power of same variables are called unlike terms. Okay, so now let's see an example. See here 5x and 5y. See here 5 is same, but the variable is x and y. So they are different variables. So they are called as unlike terms. Okay, so here 2x square and 3y square. So in this case, squares, that is power is same, but the variable is different. So even though power is same, the variables are different, means we will call that as unlike terms. Next example is look at the following expressions. Identify the like terms. Okay. So first expression is 7x. Okay. Then we want to find next expression with x alone. So it is 14x. Okay. Then negative 13x. So 7x, 14x and negative 13x are like terms. Okay. Next we will see x square term. So here's 5x square. Then if you go here 9x square. So 5x square and minus 9x square are like terms. Next we will see y term. Okay, so here only 7y is there, so no other like terms. Then xy. Okay, so 7xy, we will see another term for xy. So negative 5yx. So xy and yx are same. So 7xy and negative 5yx are like terms. Okay, then only one y square is there, so no other like terms. Okay, so next question is why are 7x and 7y are not like? 7x is there, 7y. Okay, 7y is there, but we are saying they are not like terms because the variables are different, so they are not like terms. Okay, so now why 7x and 7xy are not like terms? Okay, see here 7x has only one variable, right? X. 7xy has two variables. Okay, so they are not like terms. Next one, why 7x and 5x square are not like terms? See here 7x, the power of x is 1. And if you check power of x square, 5x square, it is 2. So it is 1 and it is 2. So the power is not same. So they are not like terms. Okay. Next example is write two terms which are like 7xy. So whatever may be the previous number, this one should have variable should be x and y. Okay, so minus 5xy and 10xy. Next one is 4mn square. So you should have m and n square. So negative 8mn square and 12mn square. Next is 2l. So we need 2l. So 5l and then minus 6l. Okay, these are all like terms. Next example is identify the terms and coefficients for each of the following expression. So this is an expression. So 5xyz square minus 3y. So here 5xyz square is one term and minus 3zy is another term. So totally we have two terms. The coefficient of first term x, y, z square is 5. And the coefficient of minus 3z1 is minus 3 or negative 3. Okay, next given number is 1 plus x square. Okay, so here 1 is one term, x is one term, and x square is another term. So totally we have 3 terms. So here 1 is a constant term. The coefficient of x is 1. And the coefficient of x square is also 1 because it is 1 into x, 1 into x square. So we can take it as 1. Next one is 4x square y square minus 4x square y square z square plus z square. So totally here we have 4x square y square is one term, then plus minus 4x square y square z square is another term, and plus z square is another term. So totally we have 3 terms here. And the coefficient of the first term is x square y square is 4, and then coefficient of minus 4x square y square z square is minus 4, and the coefficient of z square is 1. So the next question is 3 minus pq plus qr minus rp. So totally here we have 3 is one term, then plus minus qp is the other term, then qr is one term, plus minus rp is other term. So totally we have 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. 3 is constant. Okay, and then coefficient of minus pq is minus 1. So 1 into pq, so it is minus 1. Then coefficient of qr is 1. And similarly coefficient of minus rp is also minus 1. The next example given is x by 2 plus y by 2 minus x1. So x by 2 is one term, y by 2 is one term, and then plus minus xy is another term. So totally here we have 3 terms. And then coefficient of x by 2 is, that is we can write it as 1 by 2 into x. So it is 1 by 2. And then coefficient of y by 2, that is 1 by 2 into y. So it is 1 by 2. Then coefficient of minus xy is minus 1. The next question is 0.3a minus 0.6ab plus 0.5b. So here 0.3a is one term, plus minus 0.6ab is another term, and plus 0.5b is the other term. So totally 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 terms. Then coefficient of 0.3a is 0.3. Then coefficient of minus 0.6ab is 0.6, that is minus 0.6. And then coefficient of 0.5b is 0.5. Next example is classify the following polynomials as monomials, binomials, trinomials. Which polynomial do not fit in any of these 3 categories? Now let us see one by one. So x plus y. So here we have 2 terms. X is one term, y is one term. So number of terms is 2. So we call it as binomial. And then 1000. Here we have only one term, so it is monomial. Then here x plus x square plus x cube plus x to the power 4. So totally 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. So it's not under any of these 3 categories. Then 7 plus y plus 5x. We have 3 terms, so it is trinomial. Then 2y minus 3y square, we have only 2 terms, so it is binomial. Then next is 2y minus 3y square plus 4y cube. So totally 1, 2, 3 terms, so it is trinomial. Next is 5x minus 4y plus 3x square. Here also 3 terms, so it is trinomial. Then 4z minus 15z square. So 1, 2 terms, so it is binomial. Then ab plus bc plus cd plus da. 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. So it's not in under this category. Then P, Q, R. So together you call it as one term. So it's monomial. Then P square Q plus PQ square. So this is one term. This is one term. 2 terms. So it is monomial. Then the last one is 2P plus 2Q. First term, second term. So 2 terms. It's binomial. So thus we can say the monomials are 1000 and PQR, and then binomials are x plus y, 2y minus 3y square, 4z minus 15z square, p square q plus pq square, and 2p plus 2q. So these are binomials. And then trinomials, 7 plus y plus 5x, 2y minus 3y square plus 4y cube, then 5x minus 4y plus 3x. So these 3 terms you count as trinomials. Then polynomials, which do not fit in any of these categories, which have 4 terms. x plus x square plus x cube plus x power 4, then AB plus BC plus CD plus GA. Hope you have understood how to find the coefficient, how to find the number of terms in the expression, and then classifying based on the number of terms in the expression, then like terms and unlike terms difference. Thank you for watching the video.